Hello friends, welcome back. Let us continue the chapter Improvement in Food Resources. In that topic we were studying was crop production improvement. First topic yesterday we have studied, that is nutrient management. Today let us continue it. Second topic we shall start today, that is irrigation system. So first of all, you should know what is the meaning of irrigation. Irrigation is nothing but the process of watering the plants, crop plants. The process or the technique of watering the crop plants is called as irrigation. So in our country, mainly all the farmers, they are depending on the monsoon for their crop production. And here we can see the different systems in our country. Wells, canals, tanks, river valley system, river lift system. These are the different techniques in our country which they are using. Wells can be of two types, dug wells and tube wells. In dug wells they will obtain the water from the deep strata, and from tube wells they will obtain the water from the deeper strata and they will supply it to the crop plants. So here you can see some different systems of irrigation. And some other irrigation methods also last year you have studied, that is sprinkler system and drip irrigation. You might have visited Barichai garden. There you might have seen sprinkler system and drip irrigation system. And now we shall go to the third topic, that is cropping patterns. With the help of cropping patterns also we can increase the production of the crops. So by following different cropping patterns we can increase the productivity. For example, first one that is the intercropping, second is mixed cropping, third is crop rotation. Intercropping means the process of growing two or more types of crops in the same field in a definite row pattern. Row pattern is very important. Here I have taken example of soybean and maize. If you sow one line or one row of soybean, another row you have to sow maize. So row pattern is followed here, and here by following the row pattern you can get the two different types of crop plants. And here to apply the fertilizers it will be easy, to irrigate the field it will be easy, and for harvesting it will be easy, for threshing it will be easy, and nutrients also will be replenished and soil fertility is also maintained. Let us go to the second topic, that is mixed cropping. This method is also, it is also a technique or the process of growing two or more crops in the same field, but here row pattern is not there. The seeds are mixed. Before sowing only the seeds are mixed and then the seeds are sown. And different here I have taken the example of wheat and gram. So two different types of crops we are getting at a time. Here total crop failure is not there, but harvesting will be difficult, to apply the fertilizers it will be difficult, threshing will be difficult. And next topic is crop rotation. Crop rotation is nothing but the technique of growing different two or more crops year after year in the same field in a pre-planned succession. For example, this year you have grown one type of crop and in the next round you have to grow different types of crop. You are not growing the same crop every year, because if we grow same type of crop every year, that nutrient deficient the soil will become. So to replenish the nutrients, to maintain the soil fertility, different types of crops are grown year after year in the same piece of land. It is called as crop rotation. By the word rotation only you can understand crops are grown, different types of crops year after year they are grown. So this is also advantageous for the for our country to maintain the crop production improvement. So today we have completed crop production improvement topic. So now I want to give you some questions for homework, and I request all the students to maintain a book and write down all the question and answers which I am giving every day. You have to maintain, and after coming back you have to show me. So first question you take down, what is irrigation? Second, what are the different types of irrigation systems adopted in our country? And third question, what are the different types of cropping patterns followed in our country? Fourth question, what is the difference between intercropping and mixed cropping, and write advantages of each? And fifth one, what is crop rotation? Let us continue the third topic in the next class. Thank you so much.